tomorrow going to be a tough game because the two teams coming from bad result. And when happen this, normally it's that the two teams want to make better result in the next match.
Sore.
Selamat datang di PreMatch Press Conference pertandingan BRI Liga 1 musim 2023-2024 yang memasuki pekan ke-7. Pertandingan antara Persita Tangerang melawan PSM Makassar.
Selamat sore. We don't have too much time to prepare the game, but I think Persita have the same situation. I think tomorrow going to be a tough game because the two teams coming from bad result. And when happen this, normally it's that the two teams want to make better result in the next match. This is the advantage that the football gives us. It's when we sometimes get a bad result, we have another game to change the things. So tomorrow we want to change the things, and I suppose that also opponent team want to change the things. So I think going to be a very tough game. Persita is have players with big aggressiveness. They are intense. They have good players, individual. They are a good team, local players and foreign players. So I think tomorrow gonna be a good game, and I hope that we can make good things inside of the field. And I wish that we can have a better result than the last match, but not gonna be easy.
Saya mewakili dari rekan-rekan untuk pertandingan besok. Yang pasti kita siap untuk melakoni pertandingan besok. Kita tahu situasinya pun sama. Kemarin kita di kandang pun tidak menghasilkan poin yang kita harapkan, dan juga begitu juga Persita. Dia memiliki pemain yang bagus, kata coach. Good pressing yang juga bagus. Mudah-mudahan besok kita mendapatkan hasil yang positif di kandang Persita. Amin.
I not agree this. I think sometimes we need to play like this because the characteristic of our players is like this. Sometimes we need to play because the field we cannot play the ball on the floor. Sometimes we play long ball because the players that are on front not give space on the sides or not on the pockets to receive the ball. I not mean that is a style of play. I think we give the tools for the players to choose the decisions. We have strategy to change the side of the ball. We have strategy of the wing backs, some dynamics on the middles or midfielders, but we not say, hey, you must give long ball. No. So this is not a style, in my opinion.
Iya, itu juga sih membuat tim dan rekan-rekan juga agak kewalahan ya, untuk apalagi kita jedanya paling berapa, 3 hari atau berapa, belum gitu kita persiapan lagi untuk AFC. Pemain bagaimana harus cepat untuk recovery, jadi pintar-pintar untuk jaga-jaga kondisi gitu aja.
Good question. I think a team cannot have just one lineup. We must choose the best lineup for this match because we must see what are the players that are better for this match, the characteristics of our players for this match, the characteristics of opponent team. So I think this is the target. But I forgot to say one thing about your question before when you speak about style. The two matches that we lose, we create more opportunities than opponent team. The difference was the accuracy, because we create many chances, but we not score the goals, and this was our problem. But I think in the football we have many ways to get to the result. There are position ball, and there are other styles. When we have Messi, when you have good ground, we can make these things. Possession ball. When we don't have other things, we must play with the characteristics, the players that we have. And we must respect all the styles of game. Last season,
we champion, and we are the team with less possession ball, but also we are the team that create more opportunities per game, and we are the team that have the second best defense, and we are the team that was the best attack, one of the best attack, I think the third attack, something like this. So means that it's not a style, not put a style in the name of the team, because sometimes the things happen good on the game when we have accuracy, when we have good result, nobody speak. We must be fair, like we have balance. When we win, it's not everything good, and when we lose, it's not everything bad. So for me, the football is like this. When you go to the match, you have three possibilities. You can lose, we can draw, or we can win. And we must be prepared for the three results.